Hello and welcome to this beautiful 2002 Regal 4260 Commodore. I'm going to give you a walkthrough here and show you what she has to offer. Here on the bow rails you're going to see some upgraded can speakers. Also has a very spacious bow with sun cushion. Has a stainless steel windshield frame. The owner just added a brand new bimini top to this boat. Looks beautiful. She also received a fresh detail and polishing. The hull looks very nice. It's a nice large swim platform with the bait tank. You can enter this boat either port or starboard. It's a nice spacious walk around. It's cockpit seating. Wet bar with ice maker. It's full electronics with the Volvo diesel engines, bow thruster, radar, GPS, chart plotter, autopilot. Has this upgraded stereo speakers here in the cockpit. Full head, nice size stall shower here. This rear stateroom here has a pocket sliding door. Can give the people aft complete privacy. They have their own bathroom as well. Vanity. Full head with shower aft. So give me a call. My name is Sean Mermeloid with Bayport Yachts. You can reach me directly on my cell phone at 949-599-5575. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.